To get started with the Car app, you'll first need to download it from the App Store. Locate the App Store on your device, which may be labeled differently depending on the device you're using. Once you've opened the App Store, you'll see various sections, including today's games, apps, and arcade, as well as a search button. Click on the search button to access the search bar, where you can type in the name of the Car app. The app should appear as the first option, so download it and then exit the App Store. Find the app on your device and open it. You'll need to sign in with your email and password if you have an account, or register if you don't. The app's main interface includes a search function to find rides, a publish option to offer a ride to others, a section to view your upcoming rides, an inbox for chatting with drivers, and a profile section where you can update your personal information and settings. By following these steps, you can start using the app.